Alright, g'day guys, how we going? It's Mark Barrett here. Just coming to you today with a brand new review of a product called 12-Minute Affiliate. Okay, you may or may not have heard of it by now. Obviously, if you're here searching for a review, you might have heard of the product. What I want to do today is give you a really great in-depth look at what this program is about and why I ultimately think pretty much anyone can start with this and see success. Okay, now I'm going to back that up by proof. I'm going to show you what I've done with it, which is very, very little, but there's some numbers that I'll show you in a second. I'm going to show you a look inside the system and exactly what you would do to set it up. So you're going to see exactly what you need to do. And then I'll show you some proof and some other cool shit and exactly how you can get a free holiday just as a bonus for setting this up. Okay, legitimate free holiday for setting this up. And guys, in case you're unaware, this costs you $10 to set up and get started and try. Okay, it's $47 a month, being open and honest, but that's nothing. I mean, the majority of us spend more on crap than we do on a business like that. Okay, so let's dive in and let's show you what it's about. Okay, so here's the sales page. Okay, so basically it's from Devon Brown, and he's talking about a system that makes him 78 to 900 bucks per day and does all of the selling for me. Check, 100% legit. Okay, it says if you can order a pizza, you can make money with this system, and it really is that simple, guys. So let me dive into, I'll show you some stats first, what I've been able to do. Okay, so I've done literally nothing with it. Quite honestly, I've been quite lazy, been a bit busy doing other stuff, but I happened to just log in today and have a look. At Sunday here for me, and just having a look, and you can see some of the numbers that I've got popping in here at the moment. Okay, so obviously I'm recurring. You get $21 per recurring sale and $4 for a trial. So you can see there, without actually doing anything, I've bought one solo to this probably about a month ago, maybe 3 weeks ago, looking at that, and you can see 68, 29, 89 bucks. Okay, and it's starting to really sort of move along there now with rebills. So what I'm probably going to do is actually put some effort into this and actually start promoting it the way that they tell you, because I didn't even know this was happening, and yet what's that, 40, 60, 80, well there you go, 89 bucks this week, pure pocket change without actually even doing anything. I bought a 100-click solo ad 3 weeks ago, so you can see we're massively in profit and it's converting really well. So I know for a fact that this can go a hell of a lot higher with some effort put into it. So yeah, I just wanted to show you what I've done with it so far. There you can see it's all 100% legit, guys. From that, I could probably actually, let's even go a little bit in depth, because I believe in being open and transparent. So let's have a look at the actual transactions. I'm fairly new to ClickBank, so I'm figuring this stuff out as we go, but yeah, you can see, guys, where's the, yep, so easiest 1, 2, 3 is the program. Okay, so you can see that all those sales are from that, 17, 4, 4, 21, so that's upsells, $17, 21, 21, 21, 17, 4, 4, 4, 4. Beautiful, yeah. I mean, for a total of 187 bucks, and I spent 40 bucks on a solo ad, so that's pretty good return just there, yeah. So anyhow, that's enough of the bullshit stats, but hopefully from that you're getting to see that this works really, really well. And what I will show you is that obviously I'm an experienced marketer, yeah, but I'll show you everyday people that are getting started with it as well. Actually, while we're talking about it, let's do that right now. Okay, so these guys have a free Facebook group as part of your membership here, okay, and it's a very nice, inspiring place to be. It's called the 100K Affiliate Marketers Inner Circle, okay, and you can see brought to you by 12-Minute Affiliate. It's a closed group, members only group. But let's just have a scroll through here and see what's happening. So you got Devon there talking about some stuff, okay. Now look, this is just post, so we can see this is brand new, okay. So October 6th here for me at the moment. October 4th we've got Andre's posted, he made 108 bucks that week, $225 this week, just getting started. Look at his numbers here, brand new, and look at everybody congratulating him, that sort of thing. 108 bucks in a day, 174. How would you feel if you made that sort of money, guys? But that's not the only one. Let's just keep scrolling. So Kareem saying thanks for it. Jonathan, what's he got here? A little bit smaller, but great start. $4, $6, $4, $4. They're all trials. They'll turn into $21 a month commissions, guys. Bonsai, What else have we got here? Woohoo, I've completed my quick start checklist and I'm ready for my vacation to Cancun. So we'll talk to you about the vacations in a minute, yeah? Who's this we've got here? Sonny. Poppin'. Yeah, look at that. Poppin' Charles. Doing well. Doing well. Keep on trucking. See, nice bit of support. I think you get the point, guys. That goes on and on and on and on. I mean, everyday people just like you, just like me, that are coming in, they've never had success before in their life, and they're coming in now and seeing some massive success with this program. And here's why, okay? So here's inside the members area. Here's exactly what you'll get, okay? You'll see all my check marks are ticked. Basically, why they call it the 12-minute affiliate is you're going to run through these steps and you'll be completely set up, okay? So creating a free affiliate account is creating a ClickBank account. If you already got one, it's going to be obviously faster than 2 minutes, okay? Get your autoresponder, set up your autoresponder. So what they do is they've got 80 automated follow-ups for you, which are pure bloody gold. I mean, I hate writing swipes and setting up follow-up series. This, click a few buttons, bam, you'll import 80 of them, set up, done for you, okay? Activate your 12-minute affiliate funnel. So basically what they'll give you is a fully fledged funnel, okay? They'll give you funnel, autoresponder, it'll all gel together with your autoresponder and then your email follow-ups. And guys, all you have to do is generate traffic. Now, you can either, these steps, do it yourself, or optional, it's obviously an upgrade, you can have them do it for you, okay? And then next step is they even cover get done for you traffic, which is simple as pressing a couple of buttons, order some traffic to your funnel. Everything's going to start churning along, and you know, you'll start spitting out numbers. And now this is why everyday people are coming from scratch and starting brand new and seeing success with this, because everything is taken care of, okay? I mean, everything is done. Look, you scroll down the left here, you've got done for you traffic, other traffic methods, okay? So advanced services as well, but you've got resources, education center, email swipes, integrations, you know, you can pick to do whatever niche you want. I've got just the basic home business niche funnel, and that's the sort of money that is spitting out, okay? So yeah, that's, I mean, like I said, that's for me. I quite honestly haven't done anything, and I will do an update on this as well once I put a bit of effort and traffic into this. Personally, I have a goal of pushing this to about $5,000 a month. You know, I think it could do a hell of a lot more, especially if I start ramping the traffic up. But $5,000 a month would be a pretty nice, lazy little amount of money for not too much effort. Yeah, I mean, all the funnel and everything is done for you. All I got to do is order some traffic. So pretty easy system, guys. Spitting out some pretty decent little pocket change. You know, I don't know about you, but that, you know, that takes care of a car payment this week, for example. So I'm in Australia, obviously, too. So, you know, that's 120, 130 bucks Aussie. Like, there's a car payment taken care of this week, you know what I mean? So, yeah, I mean, pretty simple system, guys. Pretty straightforward. Obviously, I can't recommend it highly enough. Now, the one thing I did want to talk to you about is, let's move my ugly mug out of the way, is this free vacation giveaway, okay? So, what they do, like I said, if you click the link below in the description, you'll get to pop over, see this page, guys, enter your emails, click get started now. It'll cost you 10 bucks for a trial, which is nothing. As you know, you'll spend more than that on lunch tomorrow, okay? Then you'll get to come in, set up the system like this, okay? Now, if you set up the system, what that will do is give you a free vacation. So here you can see, are you serious about building an affiliate marketing business with a 12-minute affiliate system? If so, we've got something special for you. Simply complete all the steps in your quick start checklist above within your first 72 hours of joining the system, or have us do it for you, and we'll send you on a free vacation to one of over a dozen exotic locations. So I'll show you that in a sec. So simply complete this, guys, order traffic, they'll send you on a vacation. All you got to do is tell them where you want to go. And here's obviously the stuff you've got, you know, full details, stuff like that. You know, there's the types of places they'll send you, and it's 100% legit. It's not timeshare or anything like that. I know it sounds dodgy, but these guys really know what they're doing, hence why they can you know, why they can offer it. So yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. I mean, it's a bloody fantastic program. Hopefully you can see, I'll just refresh this so you see that this is not bullshit. Alright, yeah, there you go. I'm going to start ramping some traffic at this, because why not? Look at that, you know, if you get that 100, 200 bucks a day, beautiful commissions. Alright, I can't highly recommend it enough. I'm a very experienced marketer. I haven't seen something this simple and this done for you in my whole career. So obviously I recommend everyone do it. So you'll see my link in the description, guys. If you actually, I know you could buy through most people, but if you buy through my link, what I'll do is I've got a buy-a-click Rolodex of some really serious people that send converting traffic, because as we know, solo ads aren't all converted equally. So what I'll do is, if you do that, once you join the 100k Facebook group, pop over here. I'm in here as well. Hit me up in there via PM and say, Mark, hit me up with your Rolodex, and I'll PM it straight to you as a bonus for joining through my link. How's that sound? So, guys, that's pretty much all I had to cover. You know, this is 100% legit. I know you'll see a lot of bullshit around. Is it a scam? Is it a scam? I mean, most things have that online. Is it a scam? You know, if you put the work and the effort into it, guys, you'll see the results. Look what I'm getting. Look what everybody else is getting, starting brand new from scratch. You know, I mean, your success is this far away. It's a matter of getting started on something, setting up the steps, driving some traffic, and before you know it, you're going to have more success than you've ever seen in your life. Okay, so guys, if you want numbers like this, hit the link below. Go over, join it, stop hesitating. You've got money back guarantees, all that good stuff. I mean, you've got nothing to lose, and maybe some serious income to gain. So hit the link below, jump in, and I'll see you inside. Cheers.